Hi and welcome to the Volume DSP introduction video on how to get the most out of our planning tool, which can be found under the DSP Planning Tool tab. Our planning tool can be used to provide a clear view of all available inventory, providing you a transparent insight into your campaign planning and its future performance. This is the first place you should visit before creating any DSP campaign. Let's start with the Daily Bid Request tab. It will give you a full overview of all available inventory. Here you can check average traffic volumes for the last 24 hours based on specific criteria defined by you. You can check the average bid floor, the minimum CPM needed for taking part in the auctions, and the average win price, CPM, calculated based on the last 30 days. In the bid request column, you can see the number of bid requests made over the last 24 hours. You can also use the predefined filters to compare the volumes of in-app and web traffic or traffic on different device types. By default, the planning tool is grouped by ad exchanges. However, you may cross-reference various reporting categories by selecting up to 3 groupings to check the data further. This gives you a really good overview of available inventory based on various targeting requirements you have chosen. For example, choose placement name grouping to see which placements a certain source has to offer. You may also apply filters based on your targeting criteria. For example, click on Add Filter button and filter by country, OS, and device type to see the bid floor price, the average CPM, and the daily amount of bid requests. Inventory Lists tab is a place where you can create whitelist and blacklist for targeting or excluding from targeting specific apps or sites. There are a few ways of creating such lists. You can create a list in Volume DSP by selecting placements from a specific report of your running campaign. You can create a CSV file with placements in any spreadsheet editing software and upload it to the Inventory List tab by hitting the plus Add New button. Another way is selecting placements from a daily bid request section. Just click the green plus list button, choose placements you want to add to your list. You can do so by simply ticking the checkboxes on the left side of a placement name. Click Save List and give it a name to save as a new list, or choose Add Elements to Existing Lists to update your previously created lists. All your lists will be stored in the Inventory Lists tab and will be available during the campaign creation in the Targeting tab under the Advanced Targeting section. And that's all. Thank you for watching.